habits of mind can be applied in art class. Utilize the psychomotor domain development as guide in organizing, planning, art activities. So, art creation in the art class. Sino pa gusto ba? Ladies.
Art creation in art class. The art, a crucial role in conducting an art class, whether it is teacher-directed or learner-directed. Even in a learner-directed program, the teacher's job is to structure the art room and create opportunities for the student their art experience. In planning an art activity, the teacher has to consider the experiences and address students, and to determine their present level of skill through assessment based on previous performance approach.
So, sinasabi dito na yung mga bata pag gumawa na sila ng artwork, di ba meron yung mga bata na talagang magaling sa paggawa ng mga artwork, meron din yung mga bata na hindi masyadong magaling. Pero dapat, pantay-pantay yung pagtingin mo dun sa artwork nila na hindi dapat porque kung magaling isa, hindi mo na i-consider yung gawa ng isang student. Conceptual framework. The conceptual framework is a known set of core agencies that is widely used in the field of visual art. It comprises the analysis and dynamics between the artist, artwork, world, and the audience. So, yung artist, ito yung, siyempre yung gumagawa o yung bata yung gumagawa ng artwork. Tapos, pag sinabi na natin yung artwork, yun yung mismong nagawa na. Basta art, mga drawings ng isang bata, yun yung artwork. Pag audience naman po, ito po yung classmate natin, yung teacher natin, yun po yung audience. Tapos yung the world, ito po yung school, community, ito po yung conceptual framework of the core agencies in the art. The artistic practice. The artistic practice is defined by the national or art standard as the physical and cognitive actions by which art making, learning are realized. This practice describes and organizes the relationship between art and the student in planning an art lesson. The teacher can use this as a guide to provide the full experience of the art process. This basic component of art practice is an elementary school program. So your artistic practice is creating, presenting, expanding, and connecting. Creating, conceiving, developing new and artistic ideas and work. Presenting, interpreting, and sharing artistic work. Expanding, understanding, and evaluating how art convey meaning. Tapos yung related artistic and work with person meaning and extend concepts. Tapos ito lang po yung gawa ni grade 7 student na kung saan didrawing niya yung papunta siya yung pag-hiking niya sa basta na-paint niya yung pag-hiking niya yung experience niya. The 8 Studio Habits of Mind. The framework of 8 Studio Habits of Mind enumerates the practices that artists incorporate in their art creation process, which then can be implemented in the art classroom. In their first book, Studio Thinking, described how they systematically studied and documented the 8 habits of mind observed in art-centered secondary schools. Tapos ito po yung 8 Studio of Mind. Pag yung observe po is learning to perceive visual context, looking closely and focusing things that otherwise might not be seen. Yung switch and exploring po, playing, trying new things, exploring, making mistakes, and learning from them. Tapos reflect, question and explain, talking about students' work and working process, evaluate, talking about what works well, what does not, and learning to judge one's work, working process, and the works of others. Understand art world. Domain, learning about what artists make, and communities, learning to collaborate and understanding the artist, often interacted in groups. Pag-express naman po is making works convey personal meaning and interpreting meaning in the works of others. Tapos, yung envisional coloring to picture mentally what cannot be directly observed and imagining new artworks and steps to bring them to life. Engage and persist. Engage and persist, learning to embrace problems of relevance and finding personally meaningful projects and sticking to them. Develop craft technique, learning to use both materials with artistic convention, tapos sa studio practice, taking care of those materials, works, and space.